Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lynn and this will show the most profitable and easiest trading strategy. And now let's start our trading session.
Go to my Telegram channel by the link below the video. To do this, open it in the app. Join the group and be sure to turn on notifications so you don't miss any useful information every day. Join my VIP group, just go to the dialogue with me and write plus VIP.
So we start our trading session with the amount of $100. We see this in the upper right corner. But let's see what happens. Let's get started. The first thing we do is set up our workspace. We start setting up by setting the TL amounts of our amounts. It will be $100. So 100% of our balance at the moment. 1 minute time frame. Next, we will use Cancepass. Our payout percentage of all Cancepass is currently more than 90%. It's very good. So it's very important to have a payout percentage more than 70%. So Cancepass, and for analysis we will use our technical analysis. It's support, resistance level, and our two indicators. Moving average, it's a green line on our chart, and these settings. This is our technical indicator, shows the average price of an instrument over a certain period of time. When calculating this indicator, moving average here, the price of an instrument is mathematically averaged over a given period. As the price changes, its average value either increases or is in some kind of downward trend. Also, the indicator is as simple to use as possible. If the indicator is straight down, then it's often a downward trend. If up, the trend is upward. So very simple. It's also important to take into account the intersection of the candle itself with this average. The second, Quotex indicator, the settings you see. This indicator is one of the most useful indicators. It's located at the bottom of the screen. The Quotex indicator, our tool for determining the current state of the market, its current trend and direction. The indicator works as simply as possible also. So there are two sliding ones, green and red. If red prevails, then the market is apparently going down, and vice versa. So we start our trading session. So we are at the first concept, we open down and we start our technical analysis. So what we see, we see support area and resistance area. We touch these points and we see a reversal. So we opened down, I think it's correctly. So by moving average, we see upper position, but we already reached these points. I think it's change of trend. And the second vertex, we see change of trend, but green is prevail and it's falling, so it's changing in trend. Our profit is $92 and our balance is already $192. Let's move on to the next concept. And we are in the second concept. Let's open down and we start our technical analysis. So by technical analysis we see drawdown on our chart. The last stage of the drawdown we experienced a relative increase, but with a big quote. I think the market will soon roll back, and at this pullback we opened our bearish position. We also crossed again after a bit of growth. For Quotex, we see the same situation. Our red moving average is directed upward and the green one is directed downward. Also means that the downward trend is predominant. 10 seconds left. And we are below our opening point. 2 seconds. Yeah, plus deal. $92 our profit. Let's move on to the third concept. So let's open up and we begin our technical analysis. So we see a sharp drawdown, as a result of which we are more likely to have a recovery. We also had one green candle that rolled back quite strongly and forms a huge shadow below. This would mean that in large cases we will probably have a short-term pullback at a higher probability. As a result, we have released the position for an increase. This rollback also occurred due to the achievement of a certain level of a support area. By Quotex, the same situation. Red line prevail over the green. We are currently above our opening points. 13 seconds left, 4 seconds left, and yeah, $85 our profit. Our balance is $369. And I want to remind you about my YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe it. You'll find some here many useful information about trading. And also don't forget to subscribe to my Telegram channel also. You'll find many useful information about trading, about signals, about indicators. So let's continue. We move on to the next concept. Open up and we start our technical analysis. What we see, at least we are experiencing the drawdown, but in the last 2 weeks, we see some kind of recovery. We look at the moments that if we do not take this small pull to the upper position, we have some kind of consolidation. Upper limit relatively, that is the last, This also speaks and gives a good signal about opening position for an increase. Let's see. 8 seconds left. Yeah, our chart is starting to grow. Quite good. Yeah, plus deal. Profit is $92. $461 on our balance. So let's move on. Here we are on the next concept. Let's open up. So what we see, we opened for an increase because we have 10 seconds left until the end of this candle. It's more likely that this candle will close with a large shadow below. A large shadow at the bottom indicates a drawdown. So chart is more likely to continue to streamline range and be in a state of growth. Quite good. Moving average is also directed in the upper range. Quite good also. It gives a good signal about position for growth. So 6 seconds left until the end. We are currently above our opening points. And yeah, plus deal. I'd like to remind you that all the deals you can find in my Telegram channel. The link is in the description under the video. Let's reduce our deal amount to 200. And our last concept. Here we are, up and up, and we start our technical analysis. What we see here, we see it was drawdown and quite large growth. Upper is resistance area, below support area. By moving average, we see lines in the upper position. It's good. By Quotex, we see the same situation. Red is uncertainty and green is in the upper position. It's good. 7 seconds left until the end. Let's see. 3 seconds and yeah, plus deal. $184 our profits. Let's finish our trading session for today, and let's summarize. The most important thing is balance. It was $100 at the beginning of the video, and now we have more than $1,000. It's very good. And we almost we increased our balance almost 11 times. Our 1 minute time frame, we used currency pairs. We had percentages more than 70%. It's very important. Next, we use technical analysis for general analysis and 2 indicators: moving average, the settings, then copy it, and Quotex. Yeah, I think that's it for today. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.